Have you ever made a song about your ex?
Nah, nigga. But there's a song, yeah, a recent song that I did with Flash.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
about your ex.
It talks about my ex.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
I miss
Did you
my
know
ex.
that? Did you know that?
I'm definitely jumping on any song that is interesting
Yeah.
in my studio,
Yeah.
but I just didn't know if I'm helping someone out
Yeah.
here.
Bona Kena le Mang, 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 Bona le Mang, Bona le Mang. Iskimile bafana ba leboa, ya dipolo. Iskimile banyana ba leboa, ba metona. Iskimile bafana ba leboa, ba legend 50. Iskimile banyana ba leboa.
Okay. You already know what it is. Bona Kena le Mang.
Don Malome Malekere.
Don Malome Malekere. What a name. on, on my left side, Bona Kena le Mang.
Nala academic strata mokwebo.
Yep.
Profonic SA.
Yo, what? What?
Academic strata mokwebo.
Academic Strata Mukwebo.
Yeah, Profonic SA.
Profonic SA. We know you by the name of Profonic. You know what's up? Bona Kena le Mang.
Rar,
Rara Mudimo wa Limpopo.
Flash T.
Flash
You
T.
know me.
You already know what it is.
Yeah, man.
That's what's up. That's what's up. So yeah, you already know what we do on the show. I'm just gonna ask you guys a couple of questions. Yeah. If they too hard or too bad, just talk about anything that you want to talk about. We're gonna be like whatever that you want to talk about. So yeah. But all this is gonna relate to your music and the path that you guys have chosen. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna just start. This is First Team Music, right? Yeah, all First Team Music.
Yep.
All under First Team Music. First of all, I just want to say a big shout out to you guys. You guys are doing your thing. Busy popping quiz and all that. Okay, so yeah. Okay. The first question is that yeah. It's I'm just gonna say it, then you guys gonna answer it. Anyone can answer it. Anyone can have his whatever he wants to say on it. Okay. Yeah, have your own opinion and all that, the fact or whatever. So yeah, it's just gonna go like that. So yeah, my first question is that what is your favorite? Okay, I'm gonna ask you two. I'm not gonna include this guy because it's gonna be about him. Okay. So my first question is that what do you think Flash T should be doing right now? Like right now, as in like right now. What do you think he should be doing right now? Beat. Okay, he says a beat.
Or maybe singing or something
Singing.
or rapping.
Or rapping, okay. He's already rapping, okay, he's already rapping, like he's already in that position where he's rapping a lot. So what do you think he should be doing that's different? Let me say it like this. Something that's different that he should be doing right now. Let me start with you.
Maybe let's say singing.
Singing.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can speak in any language, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
When I can opera or I could say dancing.
Okay.
Be-
Yeah, I was thinking of that too. Okay. What do you think Flash T should be doing? What can you say to these guys that like close bottling their feelings and all that when it comes to music? Like they really trying to hide what they feel. What can you say to them?
It's not actually trying to hide what you feel.
Yeah.
It's trying to hide the spirit around your work.
Yeah.
You know, not actually. I do let everyone to express how they feel in studio. Any song that you feel, I will give you that opportunity to be there and record whatever you feel. Really, mostly I get inspired when people sing about life issues and deep problems,
Yeah.
that they go through.
Yeah.
So trying to bottle things up is not like hiding to the world what you're going through. It's just you trying to give a world a better picture, so they can get a different picture from whom they can judge.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. I want to say this. Like, feelings when it comes to music, what you are feeling at the moment or whatever you are going through, as soon as you put it in the music, it becomes a head. Like, look at all the heads. They are inspired by something. When you get a heart that is broken, sing about that. Put that in your music. That's what makes a dope song. Okay, enough about this emotional ish and that. Okay, so yeah, we are here to have fun. So I'm gonna ask you this question: have you ever made a song about your ex?
Nah, nigga. But there's a song, a recent song that I did with Flash.
Yeah. It's about your ex.
It talks about my ex.
Yeah.
Like, I miss
Did you
my
know that?
ex.
Did you know that? Did you know that?
I'm definitely jumping on any song that is interesting
Yeah.
in my studio,
Yeah.
but I just didn't know if I'm helping someone
Yeah.
out here.
So is this song about okay, is this song about winning your ex back, or it's about missing your ex?
Yeah.
You missing your ex?
Yeah.
Nigga, he said, did you know he was
the
missing
same
his
thing.
ex on that song? Do you know the song? You don't even know. Okay, don't be I'm not trying to judge. Have you ever made a song about your ex?
No.
Yeah? Azanga wajira ko shaka ex ya gago.
Azanga, bro.
Profonic, Plus, you've been doing music for years. Halujira music, halujira
made a
mino
song
for na
about an
kwetelele.
ex.
Ukilo wajira ko shaka ex ya gago.
No. There is a song whereby I'm singing about a girl,
Yeah.
which we were dating
Yeah.
by that time.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
it sounds like I did a song for an ex, but then it's a song we were dating.
You were
by
dating
the-
at
by
that time.
time.
Yeah, right now she's your ex.
And believe it or not, I only have one love song or one song that talks about a girl.
Wait, can you guys, all Fresh Tea fans, can you believe this nigga has one love song?
One song that talks about a girl.
Yeah.
One song that
Yeah.
talks about a girl that.
Okay, I'm gonna name a couple of songs that I know by Flash.
Okay.
First of all, I'm gonna go to Allow Me.
Allow me.
What's that? Is that a love song?
I wanna leave Nalamu to
Is
die.
that a love? Yeah.
That's the
Is that a love song? Or what you think about Allow Me? Do you know Allow Me? Allow me. Do you know Allow Me by Flex T? What do you think? Is it a love song or what? Undress you, allow me. Yeah. So apart from Allow Me, other song that I'm gonna name is the project that you did with Chunk. It was Jungle Cruise. He made a project with Junk. It was called Jungle Cruise. Okay, the song that I'm gonna name is what's that song? That song is very nice. What's that song? The song is like me. Yeah. Is it a love song? Or? This is a love song. You got it all just like me. Yeah.
To be honest, the song we made the EP within one day.
Yeah.
And all the songs were just inspired by the sound, Junk, because I was the artist of that EP, and then Junk was just there to hype up and make. He produced everything from vocals to instrumentals.
Yeah.
So everything was just the inspiration of those instrumentals. It never really came out of I'm making a love song.
Okay.
No.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna love to have another interview with Flex T Music. Right now, I'm just gonna keep it short. So you guys are just gonna say where they can find you, your social handles and all that. But guys, if you allow me, I'm not talking about your song. If you allow me, I would love to have another interview with you guys. So yeah. You guys should just put a day, or I'm gonna put a day and call you guys through and come to the spot and finish this. So right now, you're just gonna say what you guys do and all that, and your handles.
I I do singing. I'm a vocalist.
Yeah.
I go by the name Don the vocalist. Yeah.
Don the vocalist.
Yeah. You can find me on Facebook. Now I'm only on Facebook.
Facebook, yeah. It's only on Facebook. Don, that's what's up. Yeah, what do you like to say to your fans? You want to say fuck them or you should come and support?
Guys, I would love your support.
Yeah.
So support local artists so
Yeah.
we can grow.
You're definitely not a hip hop artist. A hip hop artist will say, I don't need anyone. Fuck yeah. I'm kidding. So
I'm
yeah.
not like that.
Yeah, okay. I'm a piano artist. I very appreciate it. Hip hop artists will say, I don't need anybody. So yeah. Profonic, what do you like to say to your fans and where they can find you?
Bagang hweja da social media Facebook
Yeah.
Profonic SA page yaga
Yeah.
account yaga ke Profonic Instagram account Profonic SA even TikTok same.
Profonic, yeah. Yeah, Profonic, that's what's up. What do you like to say to your fans? Are you grateful or fuck them?
I'm grateful.
Yeah, you are grateful.
Yeah.
To his fans, Flex T, I know you're gonna say fuck them. This nigga is gonna say fuck them. To your fans. To your fans. Let me start with what you can say to your fans before you give them your handles. What do you want to say to your
You
fans?
already told them fuck them. I don't have to tell them. So I'm back to tell them that I'm on Instagram.
Yeah?
You know
That's
what
what's
I
up. Okay,
So
yeah.
first of all, I would like to thank everyone who's supporting the music.
Yeah.
Pushing the hustle is not that easy,
Yeah.
but then with everyone behind us is doable, bro.
Yeah.
And they can find me on social media. My name is Flesh T Katlawatema, all the way on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter. You can follow me. It's Flesh T Katlawatema. Yeah.
That's what's up. He's the first nigga to mention Twitter. So yeah, that's what's up. We are done here. Bona Kena le Mang, you already know what's up. Then we done. Clap, 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 clap.
He's the second
You
nigga to show up on Black Twitter.
Yeah.